Hello, my beautiful gremlins. Let's go for a walk, okay? But we need to get ready. I'm already wearing leggings, the top. We're gonna wear this. Just t-shirt. Nice. Nice. This bandana. Should we put some color or go like Morticia today? I don't know. What is the look? I don't even. Guys, I'm blind. Maybe we'll put this. It's not that warm in Switzerland, okay? Like that. Why I'm wearing glasses, even if there is no sun in Switzerland? Because I don't want to make eye contact with anyone, okay? Guys, look at this beauty. So beautiful, right? It was worth it. I feel better now. I don't want to myself. I'm kidding. Never. Bye.